A warm welcome to everyone. This is Raghaveni of 9th Standard from ZPHS Indranagar, Siddipet, Telangana. My guide teacher is P. Lakshmareddy sir. I am here to present or demonstrate a presentation about Math Essential Multiplications Part 4. In this session, I want to explain about Math Essential. Now, let us discuss some examples on multiplications of applications. I want to discuss some examples related to the multiplication. Case 1. In this case, a jeep makes 8 trips every day. And the question is, how many trips it makes in 2 days? Firstly, we have to assume that 8 trips a day. In 2 days, we have to multiply 2 days into 8 trips. It equals to 2 into 8 is 16. Here, the 8 is repeated for 2 times. So the jeep makes 16 trips in 2 days. Now, let us discuss the case 2. In case 2, a cow gives 4 liter milks per day. And the question is, how many liters the cow gives for 6 days? Firstly, we have to assume that the cow gives 4 liter milk per day. Here, we have to find for 6 days. That means 6 days into 4 liters. It equals to 6 into 4 is 24. The 4 is repeated for 6 times. So the cow gives 24 liters milk for 6 days. Now let us tell you about multiplication. Multiplication means the repetition of a same number or repeating addition. Now let us discuss about the multiplication applications. Now let us discuss the case 1. Here in the case 1, a file occupies 3 MB space. The question is how much space the 6 files can occupy. We have to assume that one file occupies 3 MB space in computer. We have to find for 6 files. Here 6 files into 3 MB space. It equals to 6 into 3. It means 18. Here the 3 is repeated for 6 times. So the 6 files can occupy 8 MB space. Now let us discuss about case 2. In case 2, it is an interesting question and it is a combined question. In this question, we have to solve two questions. Firstly, a cake cost 50 rupees and a single chocolate cost 2 rupees. The question is how much do a cake and 9 chocolate cost? Firstly, we have to find the cost for 9 chocolates. The single chocolate cost 2 rupees. It means 9 chocolates into 2 rupees is equals to 9 into 2 is 18. So the 9 chocolate cost 18 rupees. Now we have to find the total cost, that is 1 cake plus 9 chocolates. It means 50 rupees plus 18 is equals to 68. So the total cost of a cake and 9 chocolate cost is 68 rupees. Now let us move to case 3. In this case, a diya cost 8 rupees and an oil bottle cost 30 rupees. Here we have to find how much do 7 diyas and 1 oil bottle cost. Firstly, we have to find the cost of 7 diyas. Here let us assume that cost of diyas is 8 rupees. For 7 diyas, we have to multiply 7 diyas into 8 rupees. It means 7 into 8 is equals to 56. So the 7 diyas cost is 56 rupees. Now we have to combine the values of 7 diyas and 1 oil bottle. It means 7 diyas plus 1 oil bottle is equals to 56 plus 30 is 86. So the total cost of 7 diyas and 1 oil bottle is 86 rupees. In case 4, it is very interesting. Here, a garden gives 5 red roses per day and it also gives 7 yellow roses per day. So, the question is how many roses does the garden gives in 8 days? Firstly, we have to find the both values of roses in 8 days. First, the garden gives 5 red roses per day. For 8 days is equals to 8 days into 5 roses. Here the 5 is repeated for 8 times. It means 8 into 5 is equals to 40. So the garden gives 40 red roses in 8 days. Now let us solve second one. The garden gives 8 yellow roses per day. For 8 days is equals to 8 days into 7 roses. It means 8 into 7. Here the 7 is repeated for 8 times. 8 into 7 is equals to 56. So the garden gives 56 yellow roses in 8 days. Now we have to sum up the values of red roses and yellow roses. It means red roses in 8 days plus yellow roses in 8 days is equals to 40 plus 56 is 96. So the garden gives 96 roses in 8 days. So the garden gives 96 roses in 8 days. All we are know the piggy banks. We store some money in it, etc. Now let us discuss the case 5. Here a piggy bank has 6 2 rupee coins and it also has 4 5 rupee coins. Now the question is, how much money does the piggy bank have? Firstly, we have to find the amount for 2 rupees. In the piggy bank there is a 6 2 rupee coins. Here 6 into 2 rupees. Here the 2 is repeated for 6 times equals to 12. So the piggy bank has total amount of 2 rupee coins is 12 rupees. In this we have to find the amount for 5 rupee coins. The piggy bank has 4 5 rupee coins. Here 4 into 5 rupees. It means the 5 is repeated for 4 times is equals to 4 into 5 is 20. So the total amount of 5 rupee coins is 20 rupees. Now we have to sum up both values of 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins. It means the amount of 2 rupee coins plus the amount of 5 rupee coins is equals to 12 plus 20 is 32. So the piggy bank has total amount of 32 rupees. In this session we have learned about multiplication application, real life examples, money counting, etc. In this situation, firstly we had solved the questions and combined or summed up it. In these situations, in daily life multiplication is very important in different situations. For easy learning of multiplication, the learning of tables is much essential. For example, in shops, cooking, grocery, money counting, etc. Thank you. Thank you one and all.